Pound the center stake where the mast will go, and attach the radius rope. Evenly space 4 stakes using the radius rope to set the correct distance from center. Tether the base to the center stake. Assemble the mast, coax, and antenna on the ground. Lift the top of the mast and attach any ground plane radials now. Have a person or winch pull the front guylines, and a second person walk the mast forward. Once the mast is raised, attach the front guylines to the last stake. And just adjust it for even tension.